When astronomers first detected 3i Atlas in July 2025, they knew within hours something was different. It was moving far too fast to belong to our solar system. A hyperbolic path meant it had come from the depths of interstellar space, but its behaviour didn't fit any familiar pattern. The comet brightened, then faded, then changed direction. An empty tail appeared where none was expected. Even its chemistry seemed off. So what exactly is 3i Atlas? Well, here are 5 leading theories that scientists are testing right now. 1. A natural interstellar comet. The first idea is the simplest. 3i Atlas might just be a normal comet from another star system. Comets are frozen leftovers from the birth of planets. And every so often, gravity from a giant planet throws one out into space forever. Our galaxy should be full of these wanderers. When Oumuamua and Borisov passed through in recent years, they proved that such interstellar visitors exist. 3i Atlas could be one of them, a small dark body coated in dust and radiation scars. Its speed, around 58 kilometers per second relative to the Sun, fits that picture. Theory 2. A fragmented or eroded object. Another idea says we may be seeing a broken object, not a solid one. Its rapid brightening and fading could mean it's falling apart. Radiation and micro-impacts over millions of years would have weakened the surface. As it neared the Sun, the crust could crumble, exposing fresh ice and gas. And that could explain why the anti-tail switched so quickly to a normal tail. Dust and fragments would move in complex patterns as the debris spread out. If this is true, we're watching the slow death of an ancient traveller. 3. A hydrogen ice body. A third theory is more exotic, a body made mostly of hydrogen ice. In the freezing clouds between stars, hydrogen can freeze solid. If a lump of it drifts into sunlight, the gas evaporates invisibly, giving a small push without a visible tail. 3i Atlas doesn't match that idea perfectly, but it could share some traits. Its dim light and strange spectrum might mean it's rich in hydrogen or carbon monoxide. Observations with the James Webb Space Telescope will test this over the coming months, especially when it reappears from the other side of the Sun. 4. The artificial hypothesis. So there's the bold idea. What if it isn't natural at all? This has got some scientists worried and others excited. Some researchers, including Harvard astrophysicist and Professor Avi Loeb, have suggested that interstellar objects could include discarded technology, the space junk of other civilizations. It's a daring thought, but a scientific one. You can test it. Signs of this would include acceleration without gas jets, unusual reflections or shapes too thin for gravity to explain, sudden movements, changes of direction, even radio signals. So far, 3i Atlas shows no sustained thrust, yet it still behaves oddly. The quick flip of its tail and inconsistent brightness remain unsolved. Most scientists in the mainstream, and even Avi Loeb, still favour natural causes, but until we have better data, the artificial option can't be ruled out just yet. And 5. A new class of interstellar debris. The fifth idea is that it belongs to a type of object we have never seen before. Not quite a comet, not quite an asteroid, maybe a fragile clump of dust held together by static charge. And that would account for the uneven tail and sudden brightness changes. If so, 3i Atlas could represent an entire hidden population of loose material drifting between the stars. Future surveys like the Vera Rubin Observatory's Legacy Survey of Space and Time should tell us how common these wanderers really are. Now, whatever 3i Atlas turns out to be, it reminds us that the solar system is open to the galaxy. Visitors from other stars pass through all the time, silent messengers from worlds we may never see. Each one expands our understanding of what's out there. And perhaps one day, one of these travellers will answer the oldest question of all. Are we actually alone? If you enjoyed this brief exploration, subscribe for more journeys beyond our solar system and updates on discoveries from the James Webb Space Telescope. We'll also be hot on the heels of the 3i Atlas when it reappears from the other side of the Sun. For now, thanks very much for watching.